Hello guys, welcome back to Retro Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Epic Games Launcher is not opening on your Windows, or you're having a trouble while trying to open the game, or you're trying to open the Epic Games Launcher. So how to fix this up? So the first step is you just have to go here and you just have to right click and go to Task Manager. And as you can see that now the Epic Games Launcher is running in the background, so you just have to select this and you just have to go for End Task. This is the first step what you have to do, and try to open the game, Epic Games Launcher, and most probably you'll be able to open this up. And if it's not working, then you just have to search here. You have to search for Control Panel. Now from here you just have to click on Programs and Features. You just have to click on Programs and Features. And from here, as you can see that you will be able to find Epic Games Launcher here. As you can see that Epic Games Launcher is here, so you just have to right click. So you just have to select it and right click and go for repair. So this will be going to do a repair, so you just have to click on OK, and it will be taking a little bit time so that it will be completely fixed up. So any kind of issues are over there in the launcher, it will be by default, it will be fixing up, and you can open the launcher, and most probably by doing the second method it has to work. And if it's not working, then you don't have to worry, we have a method 3. So method 3 is you just have to right click on the Epic Games Launcher, then you just have to go to Properties, and from here you just have to click on Compatibility. And there is an option called Run this program as administrator, which you have to untick, and don't forget about that. Most probably this will not be unticked, so you just have to untick it, make sure it is unticked, and just go for apply and go for OK, and try to open the Epic Games Launcher, and most probably you'll be able to launch the game. So this is how you can fix the issue up, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you have any doubts regarding this, do ask in the comment section. So we will get back to you, and this is Shahin officially signing off from Get See you soon in the next video. Peace out.